together. Music was made for love. I don't know what I'm singing. Hey guys, so today is Wednesday and I'm about to go for, I was about to say I'm about to go for a run, but I'm not going for a run. I'm about to go grocery shopping. Your girl's truly here is excited because I'm hungry. I'm starving. I'm on the, I don't know if you guys know the JJ Smith smoothie cleanse thingy. I've been doing that. This is day 3. Tomorrow will be day 4 and it's 10 days. So so far I've lost 10 pounds. No, lie. That's a lie. Oh, I love to tell lies. Bad mouth. No, I've lost 8 pounds. I've lost 8 pounds so far, and my goal on this whole thing is to lose 15 pounds, which is the whole 15 pounds that I gained back from when I was on a weight loss thing. I started at 217 and I shot back up to 215, and I'm like, whoa there, dude. Summer's right around the corner. What are you doing? So I'm doing that, and then my husband decided that, hold on. What are you doing? Do not go in the dog food. So, hubby decided that, let's go. So, hubby decided that he's gonna go back to being vegan, but it's not really vegan because he wants to eat fish. I don't know how that's gonna work. Come on, Maddie. So I don't have a key. Hold the baby. I'll see you guys in the car. Maddie. Did you comb your hair? Where you going? Babe, it's cold. I thought you said it was good. Ooh.
You have a card?
Yeah, I have a card. Anyways, like I was saying, guys, so he decided he wants to go back to being vegan, but it's not really vegan because we are still incorporating fish into our diet. Just fine. Fish is fine. For me, fish is fine. Dairy and stuff, that has to go. Me, not so much. I like cheese. I love egg. I love, well, egg is not dairy, but you get the point. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but after egg is dairy. Oh, he used to be a dairy stalker when he was younger, you know, like much younger, like, yeah, didn't have the wrinkle on his face younger, that kind of younger. So I don't know what to do in terms of, my body is very sensitive to a lot of food. The moment I put it in my mouth, my body just swells up and I'm just like bloated, and I hold on to water and stuff like that. So and then my face gets so round, and I like my face to be, you know, like, anyways, so that's that. My nails, if you guys can see, I took my nails off, and I have no interest whatsoever to get a new set or anything like that because we're moving, and I want to find a really good nail guy or girl because I don't want to have to commute from where we are, because that is like ridiculously far. I haven't told you guys which state we're moving to. I'm still contemplating on that because the state that we're going to is, I don't know yet. I'm still thinking about whether or not we're gonna disclose the state that we're moving to. There's a lot of stuff that I'm gonna be doing differently. I don't even know what it is. But hey, whatever. Anyways, so we're gonna go grocery shopping for some food. We don't have any food in the house right now. We have one pack of meat left, and I think we're just gonna give it to his mom or something, but that's what we're doing. Yeah. Wish us luck on this journey. Anyone that have ever gone vegan and then decided that it's not for them, comment down below and let me know what your experience is. Yeah, it's a struggle. It's a struggle in life to figure out what's the right thing for your body and stuff like that. So anyways, I'm gonna go because I feel like I'm rambling, right, hubby? You're so sexy. Oh, oh gosh, let me go. Dance for me. Get it, Maddie. Ooh. Get it, Mad. Ooh. Alright. Yeah, we're gonna be all late with you dancing. What is that?
Oh, for my snack.
Crunchy minis. I'm not eating. Maddie, put that down. Get it, Mad. The kids snack. Oh, peanut butter. Yay.
Oh man, I love.
Get mad. What do you want? I love this butter. This is the almond butter. I love this butter. Oh, that's the one you're getting?
No.
Yeah, because it's $11.99. This one is $5.99. They have that one and then they have the creamy. You can actually get 2 of those. What's the matter? What's the matter?
You want 2? You want both?
Yeah. You want a Pringle? Which one is vegan? The original? Okay, thank you. The cart filled up so fast. Oh, they have the 35 pack now, honey?
Yeah. This is the only if I don't have no food.
The vegan section here is really good. This is new. That's new.
What?
The
Guardian.
The meals. They didn't have that last time we were here. No. Ooh, look at the bowls. Those look so good. And then there's another box down there. Why are we under here, babe? What's that sound?
Someone closed their door right there.
Oh, okay. I thought you popped a tire or something.
That's what a tire sounds like when it pops.
Why do you have to be a little smarty butt when someone speaks to you? Like, you can't always say, oh, okay, I thought so too. You have to be a little smart.
A damn door slam, it would sound like a pop tire. Where are you?
You always have to be a little smarty pants. Everything you do, you gotta be a smarty pants. So you gotta argue with me. Why do you have to argue with me? Stop arguing with me. Anyway, folks, we just finished grocery shopping and he spent $331. Why? Who knows? That's 2 weeks worth of grocery. But hey, he's big baller these days. Like, big baller. Every time we go vegan, he racks up the grocery bill. I don't know why. Tell us why you rack up the grocery bill, husband.
Because I have to go with the food.
Yeah, he said he has to double the food because it's double the food for him. Because, you know, ooh, look at them. He's big baller. He's like, ooh. She's like, I don't want to stay behind y'all.
Did that sound like a tire pop?
That sounded like a tire popped. For real, for real. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us this afternoon and going grocery shopping with us. You know what I mean? It was fun bringing you guys along with us, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye, guys.